Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. It's Sheree here and I'm working on a 12x12 scrapbook layout using the Scrapbooking Add-on kit from Citrus Twist Kits for January 2020. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the colours in the kit this month, and I've chosen this pretty pink paper as my background. I've removed the branding strip because I won't need it for this page, and I'm just going to grab my sewing machine and stitch along the contours of those stripes just to add some really nice texture to this background before I start adding some pieces on top. So I'm using lots of bits and pieces from the ephemera pack that comes in the kit. I've got two photos today. I've got a 3x4 inch photo and this smaller photo which is roughly 2x2 inches, and I've got one of these little die cut frames which I'm just adding to the front of that photo. That's going to tuck in behind that main photo there. I've got this super cute ticket that says round trip, which I thought suited this page perfectly. So that's going to go to the left hand side of that photo, but I'm just working out my placement, making sure I've got everything in the right spot and that I do have room for my journaling strips underneath before I start sticking these things down. So my journaling strips today, I've used the typo font, which is one of my favorite fonts to use. I use it on almost every project. Alright, so I'm happy with that placement. I'm going to start sticking these things down onto the page. So I've got double-sided tape behind that blue piece and that main photo, and also behind this little framed photo. Alright, so they're on the page now. I'm going to stick down this super cute postcard ephemera piece. So I'm trying to make sure that nothing is looking too straight. I sort of want to make them look like they've just fallen onto the page. So that ticket is going just to the left of that photo there. I'm leaving that twine nice and long, and I'll tuck that around little bits and pieces later on in the layout. So I've got that cute camera piece that's gone on there with some foam dots in behind it. And I've also got these absolutely gorgeous floral die cuts as well. So I've got a foam dot just up one end and double-sided tape on the rest of that die cut piece just to lift up one end of that flower. And I've got another flower that I'm going to layer on top of that, again with some foam dots in behind that, just adding some dimension to that part of the page. So my fabulous word is definitely going on this page. I absolutely love it. Lovely gold glitter. So I've got some little foam dots behind both parts of this word. So just adding those onto the page there. And then my journaling strips have gone underneath that. Alright, I've got another little floral die cut piece that I'm just tucking in behind those other flowers, and that does have a foam dot up one end of it as well. And then I've got that cute little bird die cut to add to that part of the page. Alright, so to the right of that small photo, I've got these cute colourful word stickers, and I love that it's adding colour to that part of the page. I'm just adding them to the side of that die cut frame there, and they do have some foam tape underneath those ones. Okay, so the other piece I want to add here is the date, and I think this label actually came from the Life Crafted Fierce and Fabulous kit this month. So I've just grabbed that, added a date stamp, and that's just going to go right underneath my journaling strips there. Okay, so that long piece of twine, I'm just going to wind that in and around those flowers. That's just adding a little bit more texture there. And then I can go ahead and grab my sewing machine, and I'm going to add some stitching to all of those journaling strips and across that date label as well. So just giving you a closer look at that. And all I need now is to finish off my title, and I love the color of these super cute puffy alphabet stickers that were in the kit. So I'm just adding the two words day out. So that is this page all complete. I absolutely love how this has turned out. The colours are absolutely gorgeous in the kit this month. So please let me know if you've got any questions about this layout or the kit. I will leave a link down below to Citrus Twist Kits if you'd like to go and check out the new kits for yourself. And I'll be back again really soon with another project to share with you. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.